What's up, everybody? So today we're actually going to be putting together some outdoor pool chairs, like some Chase loungers. We've had some of these cheaper white kind of vinyl plastic ones for quite a long time now. They were good enough to get us by, but we've always wanted something better, a lot more sturdy, something that's going to last us longer. It's just a little too much money for us at that time. So went ahead and got some from Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description below by a company called Suunyn. And we're gonna go ahead and put these things together, and I'm gonna give you guys my opinion of them. So let's go ahead and grab these things. They're pretty heavy. We ended up getting 4 of them, so hopefully they end up being a good product. Yeah. They got some weight to them. All right, got all 4 of those chairs over here. They're about 40 pounds a piece. How do I know? It says it right on the box. This is a Suunyn Chase lounge chair. They're about 42 pounds a piece. These are supposed to be like a teak color or wood. So let's go ahead and get one of these laid out and see what all comes in the box and see how difficult it is to put this thing together. So this is like an Hdpe high density, I think it's polypropylene ethanol plastic. High density polypropylene ethanol plastic. It's a really hard plastic, okay? I don't know. But this is what a lot of those outdoor Chase type loungers and stuff like that are made of these days. And that stuff's pretty expensive, but like I said, this was relatively inexpensive on Amazon. I want to say these were for a 2-pack. I think it was like 280 bucks. And I know that sounds like a lot, but you know, when it comes to like lounger type chairs, the really cheap vinyl white plastic ones are like 80 bucks. And generally speaking, they last you maybe a year. So for the most part, if you can spend 280 bucks and have something that's going to last you a really long time, it's 100% totally worth it. Let's go ahead and get these parts out and see how well these things are made. Instruction manual, the parts on the back. So it doesn't look to be a whole lot of hardware with this. I'm gonna start with this piece here. So I'm gonna find these legs, find that part. According to this, we're gonna be starting with this piece, which I already have over here. We're gonna start with these legs, which are H, which I have here. Quantity of 4 number 1 bolts, which are these that I have in my hand. And we're going to do 4 number 3 washers here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then 4 number 4 nuts and this little wrench. Okay, so based on these instructions, I need to rotate it this way. And this piece should go right here. With these bolts going through this direction, lack of cleanup. Take this one through as well. Use your drill, probably make it easier. And just like that. Perfect. Now we're going to throw these washer and nut for each one on the back. Got 1, got 2. Just snug, don't want to over tighten. Nice. All right, now for the other side. Got them through, washer, nut. All right, step 2, center pole. Apparently there is a round pole. We are going to stick it through there. I say round, it's rectangular, but whatever. I think this is it, I, and this is, yep, I, right there. All right, let's go and do that. This step is using the number 2 bolts. Those are shorter slightly than the ones that we used earlier, which are the number 1 bolts. Fits in this little slot. This little grooved hole with an insert. Step 3, we're gonna go ahead and put this angled mount on. It's going to be opposite of the way we currently have it. So we're going to take this, flip it this way, go ahead, do step 3, which apparently is going to look a little bit like that. This edge is going to stick off, skip that hole. It's going to go into there. So this hole is going to be just forward of this other piece. And the first hole that engages is going to be this one. And that is going to use number 1 bolts, 4 washers, 4 nuts. Ugh. Washers, nuts on the backside. Now that I've got both sides in, I'm going to tighten them up. Okay. All right, now for the actual back piece. It's going to go in here. Nut washer on the inside. Next step is to put this bar through. Alright. There we go. Okay, that's cool. Now, gotta put these other braces on, which are here and here. There we go. These are the shorter bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now another one going in the center. These are pretty cool. They have these cup holders built in. So kind of just put your little cup right here. I think that one goes there. This one probably here, here. All right. So I need that. I need 4 number 1s, 4 number 3s, 4 number 4s. All right, got the part. So for this one, we are bolt inside, and this is on the outside, I believe. Let me double check that. Yes, outside. Yes, outside. Okay. And then the actual nut and everything is gonna go on the outside. I think I messed up though. This actually goes here. I think. Like that. That looks way better. Makes a lot more sense too. A little cup holder thing here, which is this screw apparently. It's cool. It doesn't have a whole lot of support there. The potential problem, but we'll wait. Now for the final touches, the wheels. This, that. All right. So there it is, everybody. This is the Sunny U Chase Lounger. It is a Hdpe kind of plastic, high density. Seems to be genuinely well made. Went together really easy. I'd say this entire chair maybe took 35 minutes to put together. I guarantee those 3 will probably take about 15 to 20 minutes each. I could definitely do all 3 of them at the same time in an hour, but thought I'd go ahead and just put this one together for you on camera and then see how it actually works. All right, well, now that we got it together, let's see how well this thing rolls. Really easy to move around. Gonna do the snug check on some of these bolts before I go ahead and sit in it. All right, they're all tight. Let's go ahead and try this thing out. Nice. So it's definitely got a little bit of flex. Feels really solid for the most part. Handles feel good, it's comfortable. Lengthwise, I'm 5'10". My heels are sticking off just a little bit. The cup holder, I'm still questionable about. I really think this is gonna break. I don't know 100% yet how I'd be able to fix it if it does, but yeah, I'm not real confident in the strength of this cup holder. Yeah, I know it doesn't have to hold a lot of weight, but when you're talking freaking a Yeti or a Stanley full of ice, might be a problem. All right, let's try to do an adjustment here. Let's say I want to lay back a little bit. Oh, nice. Edges are nice and smooth. There's no wiggle or wobble. Everything feels tight. I don't feel like it's gonna break. I'm pretty satisfied with it. Well, guys, hope you like it. So I'm gonna drop a link in the comments below. I've got 3 more chairs to build, and I don't think you guys want to see that. So if you're looking to get some new pool chairs or just some loungers around the patio for the spring or the summer, initial thoughts is that, yeah, I'd probably recommend this as an option. I'm curious to see if the rest of them have a little bit of play like this cup holder does, but overall, if you're holding a beer or something like that, it's going to be more than sufficient for your needs. Thanks for watching, guys. Dale does it all. Like, subscribe, follow. See you guys later.